Hello to all artists. Today I will show you how to draw this cute candle and color it later. We start at the very top with the wick and the flame. We draw a slightly curved wick. A large flame burns on the wick. Therefore we now draw a large flame around this roof. Inside the large flame, we draw a smaller one. Next we draw the candle. We start at the very top. I will show you step by step how we go about it here, so that you can easily copy it. Now we draw the left outer side of the candle, and we draw a long and straight line down. And we draw the same thing on the right side as well. We draw a line of roughly the same length downward. After that we draw a funny face on the candle. We start with two big eyes. First we draw two large ovals. Then we draw a smaller oval inside each oval. And inside the small oval, we draw a small circle. Then we draw an eyebrow over each eye. And now we can draw a few smaller wax noses on the candle. Under the eyes, we draw a small nose. After that we draw a very big and smiling mouth under the nose. Then we draw a ring under each eye. And we also add a few freckles to the face. Next we draw the decoration around the candle. At the bottom in the middle, we draw a berry. Behind the first berry we draw another one. To the right of the berries, we draw a leaf of a mistletoe branch. And then to the left of the berries, we draw a second mistletoe leaf. Behind the left leaf, we now draw a pine branch. On the other side of the candle, also behind the leaf, we draw another pine branch. Finally, we draw 2 more pine branches. One on the left side of the candle and one on the right side. Our candle is finished, now we can start coloring. The part of the video where I color is much faster. I colored the flame in several shades of orange and yellow. After that, I colored the pine branches in a dark green. For the 2 leaves, I used a lighter green. Later I painted some leaf veins onto the leaves. I also painted over some areas of the leaves with yellow. For the berries I used a red color. And for the eyes I used black. I colored the candle in different shades of blue. At the very top is a lighter blue, and for the rest of the candle I used a dark blue. I colored the eyebrows and the wick in a brown color. And finally I painted over the outer flame with a light orange. I hope you enjoyed my video and that you'll join me again for the next one. See you soon.